Hello friends, welcome back to Python series. In this video, I am going to explain about literals in Python. So, what is literal in Python? The data which is being assigned to the variables are called as literal. In Python, literals are defined as raw data which is being assigned to the variables or constants. Literals in Python are notations or concepts that help in representing fixed value of a source code. These are raw values that act as constants. Now, what are the types of literals? In Python, there are mainly 5 types of literals, which includes numeric literal, string literal, Boolean literal, literal collections, and a special literal. Numeric literals further divided into integer, float, and complex type. Integer literal. Numbers can be both positive and negative with no fractional part. Real numbers with both integer and fractional part is known as float literals. Complex literals are in the form of a plus bj, where a forms the real part and b forms the imaginary part of the complex number. In Python IDE, you can see different type of numeric literal. You can see in Python IDE the result of numeric literal. You can see in Python IDE the result of binary literal, octal literal, and hexadecimal literal are in the decimal form. Here, binary literal 0b1011 is converted into decimal literal 11. Decimal literal remains same, which is 400. The output of octal literal is in decimal form 407, which is converted from octal 00627. The output of hexadecimal literal is 346 is in decimal form, which is converted from hexa 0x15a. The result of float literal and complex literal are same as given in input. We can get imaginary part of complex literal is 6.2 and the real part of complex literal is 8.0. Next literal is string literals. A string literal is a series of characters surrounded by the single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. Any single character surrounded by single or double quote is also known as character literal, while multi-line strings are written in between triple quotes. You can see in Python IDE. First one is string literal, S equal to Python is also used for scripting. Second one is character literal, character equal to P. And third one is multi-line string, str equal to triple quotes, welcome to Utkarsh Technoworld triple quotes. When we print string literal S, we are getting Python is also used for scripting without any quotes. And when we print character literal char equal to p, we are getting only p. And when we print multi-line string str, we are getting welcome to Utkarsh Technoworld without any code. I will cover remaining literals in next video. Thanks for watching video. Hit bell icon to get new video.